the deadline to file your taxes. And Al Riddick of Game Time Budgeting joins us to share some advice and options for those who still need to file. Good morning, Al. Now, what do most people not realize when completing their federal and state tax returns?
That is an excellent question, Mona, and here's the answer. First of all, tax avoidance is legal 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. However, tax evasion will get you up to 5 years in prison. But on a serious note, Mona, people need to understand that you are obligated to pay the government every dime you owe, but not a penny more.
And if people know they are not going to meet the April 18th at midnight deadline for filing their taxes, what can they do?
So the first thing you can do, Mona, is file an extension. So all you need to do is Google IRS Form 4868, which will allow you to file an extension, and your new deadline will actually be October 17th of 2022. Now, Mona, you have to keep something in mind. If you owe the government money and file an extension, the extension only applies to the date of filing your taxes. You still owe that money and they want it on April the 18th. So if you don't pay it on the 18th, guess what? There are going to be some penalties as well as some other interest charges that do apply.
Al, because of inflation, high gas prices and the rising cost of food, people might not have the money to pay to get their taxes done. So what can they do about that?
So if your adjusted gross income is $73,000 or less, you can visit irs.gov/free file, and you can actually prepare your federal tax return at no cost. Now, you might be also able to file your state tax return at no cost as well, but the reason that I say might is because depending on which state you live in, that free fee might not be applicable.
What if people owe money but just don't have it? Are there other options?
So the first thing you could do is Google IRS payment plan. So then you're going to see a link for online payment agreement application. Now, if your application is approved, you're probably going to qualify, hopefully, for one of the 3 most often used payment plans. Now, with these payment plans, you may have a setup fee as well as the interest and penalties that apply. But the first one, you might just be able to direct pay, which means if you know you owe the money, fill out the application, but go ahead and submit the payment immediately on that day, April 18th. Secondly, you might qualify for a short-term payment plan, which might be 180 days or less. And then you might have the option to qualify for a long-term payment plan, which basically is an installment agreement between you and the IRS, where they're going to actually reach into your banking account and pull out your monthly payment for you because they want to get their money. But that could be another option as well. But keep in mind, if you do pay late, there will be penalties as well as interest charges that you will incur.
Al, it's always a pleasure to have you on. Thanks so much for talking to us today.
Thank you so much.